Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I've got a 10 by 20 inch canvas, a couple of swipe cards, a pan of colors that I'm thinking about adding some of my favorite, I was thinking about adding some of my favorite color to it. I still am. There we go. I've got shovels. I'm going to prime this canvas up really quick if I can. Where'd my... I hit a big bottle of plant. Nope, there's my black. Is that? Yes. I want to do a variation on a theme. I'm not sure what it's going to be. Might be interesting to tell you right now, so I might not do that. I'm just going to spread some paint on my canvas. Probably not enough. I'm used to having a much bigger bottle. I like using the Artist Loft bulk. I think it's a 32 ounce size, I'm not sure. But I like using them to distribute my black and my white because it takes a whole lot less time. So I don't care if I make a little bit of a mess. I am working on an idea that I have a 16 inch round black canvas primed. It's been in my studio for, I don't know, a while now. Usually I would love to have a layer of black already on the canvas, but since it's not ready, it's going to be whatever it is, and I will touch up my missing parts. If I have drips over the side, I try and rub them into the edges. And if I can see canvas, I try and use my miraculous paint spreading spatula to make sure that that goes away. It's available on the Amazon link in 2 sizes, along with a whole lot of other stuff. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. Helps me out. And a few of my friends are doing that, and I want to say thank you very much, you guys, for doing that. Things are a little different at YouTube. Notifications for my subscriber count, which is 86,500 and some, is about 17%, and I think even those of you who have rung the bell and asked for all notifications are probably not getting them. So keep an eye out. If you're a member of my group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook, then you will always have access to tomorrow's video. Alright, I don't see too many things in here, which is a really good thing because I need to get moving instead of talking. And I've got a pair of tweezers that will pull out, these are on the Amazon link too, pull out any schmutzy things I see. So I've got some black enamel, but I've also got blue enamel, and I've got gold paint, and I'm thinking about the gold paint. What I really want to do is put a shovel full of paint right down the middle of this. Before I do anything else, I'm going to move a couple bottles out of the way. Whoa, good catch, Priscilla. Woo, that was headed for the ground. Alright, so here goes nothing. I want this to be quite different all the way down. I may even tip it. I've got a little bit of color left. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to let my shovel rest, so if I need some color, I'll have some. So what I want to do right now is put down the black enamel on either side. I didn't tip. I could have. No idea what I'm doing at all. At least I'm pretty sure that my middle section is even. Alright, so I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to grab a little bit of color. Well, I often feel like it would be better if I put my finger down, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And I've got a little container I can wipe off my excess. I'm just going to do my whole edge like this. I'm going to use my residuals to cover down below. Keep wiping off my excess. This could turn into a basting brush something or other, because I could definitely drag through those other sections. Whoops. I could do a checkerboard by going alternatively. That would be kind of neat, wouldn't it? Should I do that? If I go here, we're going to have the same thing. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I like doing things a little differently when I get a chance. Got more of that here. Split the difference. I'm getting some cells in the gold. I'm very tempted to use all of this paint in between where there isn't anything on the edge, and then come back. The ends are done. You see this other side. I might want to add a little black in there. Yeah, I don't mind that. I think what I'm going to do is, I got a rough spot on my card, which is not what I wanted. But I'm going to do that end because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. Oh, there was a big puddle there. Okay, how do I deal with that? Let's just move some of that right down out of the way. Touch up the ends. That's different. It's kind of cool though. I like it. So here comes the basting brush. So which side should I go from? I think I'm going to go from this side. And that side. And that side. I'm liking it. Cool. This needs to go somewhere else. I need to change that. So long as I'm going right through the middle, it seems to be okay. Pulling on the colors. Do I want to do anything else? Not really. But I'm going to anyway. Because I like what happened to the colors. I like the patterns that got created. I'm dyslexic, so I gotta be careful what I'm doing as far as pulling goes. Or I'll go in the exact opposite way I had in mind. So that's kind of different, and a little the same, but kind of different. The question is, do I want to do anything else? And I think I want to finish adding yet one more strike through. Maybe just where it needs it. They don't really have to be even. I really want to do some weird stuff. I want to put some enamel in the center and the side, and take a little tiny card and a little tiny bit of gold. Not that there isn't some there, because there is. Doesn't really look like it's going to make much difference, and I don't think I want anything extra there. It was worth experimenting with, I think. I don't think I need to do it to the other side because it didn't make enough difference. I've got something really strange over here because that paint shifted. Okay, well, all bets are off. Let's see what happens when it shifts back the other way. So be careful of your big puddle at the beginning from your shovel, because obviously it can cause a big problem. I I can't fix that. So this is just going to be whatever it is. And whatever it is going to be unknown to me until it goes where it's going. Not what I had in mind. I could probably swipe in all kinds of directions and make this even more interesting. I might have some more paint left if I wanted to shovel some on. Let's do that. Let's do completely off the wall, totally weird things. Because I can. I kind of like that the way it was, but what are you going to do? There's no normal here. I am going to use, whoops, right into the paint. I am going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and then throw that in the bucket. So I am going to let everything continue on its merry way for a second. I'm not sure about that last stroke, but that's okay, I'm not done yet. Looks like the background should have stylized dragons flying through it or something. Looks like a topographical map down here. So yeah, that's not what I intended, but it's pretty cool. And I could do whatever I want now. Whoop, that was enamel. So that's not what I expected in the least right there. So what I was going to do is put some of this. And I was being called to turquoise. And the turquoise, not there, not there. There it is. So I like the turquoise. And the turquoise I think is going to make me happy. Not the keyhole swipe I expected, but still something different. And I've got this gold right here. And right here. I've used a basting brush before. Oh, that was a dragon's eye. Cool. Now if I go much further, I won't be able to keep anything that I really love. It was a fluke anyway. I say that. And then I need just one more mark. There. Whoops, that's the neighbors. Not for kids. That's never happened before. So I don't know if I need to tip that much at all, because I kind of like everything that's happening there. Unexpectedly so. I don't like the fact that I don't have black paint on my edge. Where the canvas is showing. Or that that paint bottle just fell over. But I do like the rest of it. And so this is Priscilla Batzell. Not freaking out and when things go sideways and letting them go sideways. And I recommend having fun and not getting too weirded out by things when they don't work out your way, and making the best of it, which is what we're all basically doing right now. And I love you guys. If you're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation, excuse me, that would be a Facebook group. If you're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell and you're one of 86,000 almost 86,000 subscribers, please make sure that you know that you may not get your subscriptions or your notifications. And if you want to find me, and I would appreciate you finding me, that looking on that Facebook group is where I post videos the night before. I'm really liking just sticking my skewer in there. I'm liking the randomness of the lines. I'm liking some straight and some wavy. And I've got some great little cells, and I have no idea what to call this. This is as mixed technique as it comes. This is shoveled and basting brushed and swiped all together and tipped. All because the paint was too heavy at one end in the shovel, and I will be very careful of that again. Not to let that happen. Although, I'm not sure I'm complaining. We're going to run out of time in a minute, literally. And I'm going to throw a spiral in there because I can. And maybe a couple, whoa. I don't know what that was. Oh, I do know what that was. That was my husband throwing a rock through the lanai door because he can't be bothered to get up to throw the rock for the dog. And he deserves me to tell you that. For being that way. It's not even hot out here right now. Alright, so I love you guys. I will see you guys anon. And this is just bizarre. I can't stop playing with it. It's really neat. It's so neat, I want to do more. And you guys are going to be gone soon. So thanks for sharing my videos. Look for my Teespring clothing with all over print leggings and t-shirts. Look for the, yes, look for the Linktree link with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links underneath it. And, whoa, I don't want all that. I'll take it and I'll do what I have to with it. I've got some magenta. I've got 2 minutes, and I'm making the most of them. Come on, out you come. Out, out, out. Nope, I can't have it. I like that orange, though. I just have to put it in a dish so I don't get inundated with it. I can't get that cleaned out. I don't want to stick my... tweezers. Yes, that's a big plug. Oh, come out. Well, if I can't get rid of the dot, I'm going to spiral it out. In a moment, maybe. Maybe a couple black dots? I wonder how fast that's coming out. Maybe a couple white dots, maybe some gold dots, maybe some more dots all around. I love you guys. I will see you guys anon. Yep. She lost it. She went dotty. Very cool. I do need some more of those orange dots, though. Whoa, it is coming out so fast right now. I got more orange than I know what to do with. This is fun. I'm having fun. Now I want some white, but I really think I'm probably better off just to be good and let it go, because I can't see. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves and each other. Whatever I didn't tell you in this video, you'll see in another one. Please check out Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell art if you're not there. And if you are there, check out Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell, because there are 1,310 videos there, and you will find playlists, created playlists with genres and topics and by the number. I've got a couple things to touch up on my side, and you guys are going to be gone. And thank you for joining me, and even though that wasn't really what I expected it to be, I had fun doing it with you. I hope you come again. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I will see you anon. Out and anon. And I'm just using my finger on my edges, pulling down the paint that already dripped over and checking to make sure all the canvas is gone that I was looking at, which I could do tomorrow if I had to. but I prefer to do it now. Alright guys, see ya.